I'm going to show you how to get to Epic Books. Epic Books is a virtual library that you can use to read books of all kind. This is a great way for you to find just right books for you and a great way to find books just to enjoy in general. Also, if you are participating in AR, this is a great place for you to find AR books. Your teacher will have set up an account for you. You'll need your class code. For this example, I will be using the class code for Miss Lincoln's class. So if you are not in Miss Lincoln's class, this code will not work for you. You can follow all of the steps except for the class code. You'll need that. So if you are on a Chromebook or a laptop, just go to your search bar and I search for Epic Books. From here, you're going to want to go to Student Login. And then you're going to want to select your class if you've already logged in. If you have not logged in for the first time, you're going to come over here and you are going to enter your class code. Again, this one that I am using is for Miss Lincoln's class. Click Go. And then once you are in, your teacher will have set up an account for you. And you're going to go in and find your name. This probably looks familiar to you if you've already watched the reading mini lesson for today. So I set up an account for myself. So then from here, you can find Just Right Books. You can go to the Explore option. If there's a name of a book you know you want to read, you can type it here in the search bar. There's a My Library, which will show books that you have read. But this gives you the option of exploring all different kinds of books. Pretty soon we will be giving you a number called a Lexile, and that will tell you your level of books. So this will be a great place for you to click on, and then you can choose your Lexile level. We'll tell you more about that later. But for now, I want you just to get on and practice exploring. You can go up here and search. It has it by topic. If you want to search a specific topic. If you want to know something more about science or art, social and emotional, math, languages. My class has been using Bonjour as a greeting for our class during morning meetings. So if you want to find out more about French, here's interests. If you are someone who likes baseball, you can click on baseball and it will give you a whole bunch of books about baseball. You can search by your age. A lot of you are turning 8. Some of you are just turning 7. And it will give you books by age. If you want to read fiction or nonfiction, fiction are books that are not real, that have events or people that are not real. Nonfiction has people and events that are real. So if you want to read about some of the Atlanta Braves or the Dodgers, again, I'm still in my baseball search. Jackie Robinson is someone who we will learn about this year, so if you want to read something about him, you can go back to your search bar and you can choose something different. This is a great resource for reading. Here's something else, States of Matter. We will be actually starting this week, so this might be a great place for you to go find a book about states of matter. Happy reading!